In this video, I want to talk about how you can add more than 100 variants on Shopify. So probably as you know, on Shopify, the maximum variant limit is 100, but there are some things that you can do to get around this. Now, the first one is you can create two products of the same product. So one can be medium, small, and large, and the other one will be extra large and extra, extra large. So you have two different products, but they can have 100 variants each. So that's one way that you can do it. But another thing that you can do is you can come to your dashboard, so admin.shopify.com, click on Add Apps, and click on the Shopify App Store. Once you're in here, you want to search for Infinite Options. And this one is an add-on that can give you infinite options to personalize and bundle products. So this will be able to bundle for more than only 100 variants if you want to. So those are the ways that you can do it. The third way is you can also create a script, but that one is a little bit more difficult. But yeah, those are the ways that you can do it, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.